In this video, you will see how to show non-printing characters like this in Word document, like space, tab, and paragraph breaks. It's very easy. The quickest way is to use the ribbon, and you need to just go to the Home tab, and here you will see the option of Pilcrow icon, which looks like backward P icon. After locating this Pilcrow button, you just have to click on it one time to see these non-printing characters or formatting marks. If you want to remove these non-printing characters, you just have to click one more time on this Pilcrow icon to hide the non-printing characters. You can also use the keyboard shortcut on Windows and Mac. For Windows, it is Ctrl plus Shift plus 8, and for Mac, it is Command plus 8. You can use the same keyboard shortcut to hide non-printing characters in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.